Hello everyone, it's Sabian. Today I'm gonna be doing a brand new snack review. But before I start on this snack review, I do want to say if you do like stuff we do my channel, make sure you give a like, subscribe, turn those notifications on every time I upload. And also if you haven't yet, make sure you give all my videos, including this snack review, a big thumbs up for the algorithm if you haven't yet. And also if you haven't yet, also make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn those notifications on every time I upload new content on the channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's get the snack review right now. From there on, I went to Walmart on Wednesday. Sometimes probably so the same day that when I upload, some of you know that I upload my review on the how to turn your Burger King, how to turn your dragon meal. If you haven't seen that yet, go and check it out if you haven't yet. But today I'm reviewing of a Doritos flavor I have never even done on the channel. So some of these people probably have reviewing these, and I reacted to some people that review these Doritos already. So we could some of you but no I'm on the channel. I like it. I reacted to so many people. So yeah, so I'm going to show you what I am reviewing. I'm reviewing the Doritos Guacamole, a returning flavor. So I guess I was able to find these. I was able to find a smaller base. I never unable to find the bigger base, but I was able to find the smaller base. So yeah. What up for you? You getting this open? Sniff test. Very interesting smell. Well, if we're gonna get a chip, I'm gonna try that now. Very interesting still. I could still the bit of guacamole on there. You know. Yeah, guacamole sauce on there, on the Dorito chips. Yeah. Yeah, it still tastes good still. It's just the guacamole taste and please. Me. Pretty much unique. Well, completely different different with the other Doritos I have tried before in the past, before on my channel here. You know, with reviews, reviewing wise. These ones are different. I'm definitely tasting the guacamole part. Guacamole does. The guacamole does from these. They have a bit of guacamole. They're supposed to be a bit spicy, I believe. I'm pretty sure because I had tried guacamole. I tried guacamole before. It's supposed to be probably is spicy, but not very spicy. If it was very spicy, they would have. If they had a, imagine they would have have a flaming hot version of this. Imagine it they work. I bet the Doritos company with the Doritos company or Doritos companies, you know, that owns Doritos with Frito-Lay. Imagine they would have had to do a flaming hot version of the Doritos flaming hot guacamole version. They were to the possibility. But who knows though? Who knows? So now I'm gonna give me my rating on these. So what am I giving my rating? What am I giving my rating on the returning Doritos flavor guacamole? Am I giving my rating on these? For regular wise, I give it 10 out of 10. Professionally wise, I give it a 90. I originally was gonna go with 80. In my head, I originally was gonna go with 87, but I think I go with a 90. So it's more better. So yeah, we're still good. We're still good still. So yeah, like I said, I need that at Walmart. And plus, I got other stuff that I'm going to be reviewing also. But stay tuned for those. And plus, you already know I already reviewed the Burger King, Burger King how to train a dragon meal. So yeah, like I said, if you haven't seen that video yet, go and check it out if you haven't yet. So yeah, that's the end of snack review. I hope you guys like the snack review. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Excuse me. And turn off notifications on every time I upload. And share my videos, videos, and reviews, and other stuff with my channel to your friends' videos. If you want choice, because I am making it. So yeah. And on the main channel here, for the fucking scars, and on the back of the channel, Chipper 2.0. And the gaming channel, Certain Gaming, Open number 2, Water Scores. So yeah, and that's the end of the snack review. And I'll see you all more banger crystals, more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Chipper signing out. Peace out, everyone.